Space melody.
Lifestyle vlogs. Alright people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. This is pretty sweet, you know. In terms of smell, the scent is very sweet. I think a female will be able to wear this. That's how sweet it is. Okay, today we are about to open Jean-Paul Gaultier, I love Gaultier le Mâle, Eau Fraiche, naturel, spray. Before all that, drop one of these and don't forget to turn on your notification. Ding 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 ding. If you're the first time out here, you know what to do already. Sub to the channel. So it's Jean-Paul Gaultier DC Superman, as you can see right there. Okay, so without further ado, we are about to unbox and can this beauty. Let's get down to business. Share the video if it's any so useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. Let's do it. Bang bang. I'm feeling this bottle, man. I'm feeling this bottle. You know, this is pretty original. I'm loving that. I'm gonna leave all the description, you know, the specification of this on screen, but I can tell you right about now, the alcohol is of origin, vegetable origin, and it's 80% volt. This is gonna be strong. This is pretty strong. Look at it for yourself. 80. Okay, that's a good perfume. All right, check out the artwork. Superman style. Okay, so if you're a DC lover, you know you're in the right place. This is pretty affordable. I'm gonna leave all the link right down below on screen for you to appreciate. If you want it, you know exactly where to get it. Other than that, let's open this badass. So I'm still gonna rate it as usual. Oh yeah, I love that sound. Still gonna rate it like I said. Okay, 5-star for the best, and you know the rest. Let's see. So you have to twist it to open. For what I've heard, pretty easy. Oof. There you go. There you go. I'm loving the presentation. The presentation is pretty dope. Alright. This is what the actual bottle looks like. I think you can take it. Yeah, you can take it out if you want to. Okay, you can take it out if you like. Look at it. Look at a DC character. Superman's in the house. Alright, you got the stopper here. Let me just show you all the little details. Bang. We'll do this the smell test in a bit. Just give it a second. How easy it is to put this back. Fantastic, I like it. It's pretty cool. At the back of it, if you buy the authentic thing, you're gonna have Gaultier written at the back. Okay, low belt ass. Let's not go there. Yeah, right at the bottom here, more information about the ingredients. Okay, other than that, the bottle is pretty similar to the Mâle. Okay, and it's something that I like. I like the style. I like the imagination. Inside the base, we also have Gaultier, Jean-Paul Gaultier. Okay, so if you like it hooked, all you need to do is to put it in. There's a little game. You just have to slide it in like this. That is it. Okay, so let me I'm gonna a little bit more presentation when we talk about what I think about it, how nice it is compared to others. Drop one of these in the meantime. Searching for
chasing the stars, searching for in the universe, searching for chasing the stars.
So if you're wondering if this thing will stand on its own, the answer to that is yes, it will. Check that out. Stands just fine. So let's do the smell test quickly. Whoa, what's wrong with this? Let's do the smell test, baby. Woo, 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 woo. Let's see. Give it a little good shake. Let the L do the job. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, this smells good. Smell pretty fresh, you know. Smell very, very, very fresh. You know, I'm gonna leave the links. No, I'm gonna put on the screen the exact ingredients. But it's pretty fresh. You know, I got a couple of hints of. As I said, I'm gonna leave all that right down below. This is pretty sweet. You know, in terms of smell, the scent is very, very sweet. I think a female will be able to wear this. That's how sweet it is. All right, but out of 5-star, I'm giving this straight out of the box a 3.5 out of 5-star. So that's a 3.5 stars. Okay, it's pretty dope, but it's not strong as this. And I'm pretty much sure if you compare it to Le Mal, the normal Mal, the original Mal, it's not far off from the original Mal. So here and there they do change, you know, the scent every year apparently. So this is the 2017 one, and you should double check if you are interested into the 2018 one. I haven't seen it yet, but it's pretty dope. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make sure to drop one of these. Turn on your notification, ding, 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 so you won't be missing out. Thanks for watching. Keep it lit, keep it safe. We shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it and do it. Bang, bang. Peace out. All about the freshness, keeping it fresh all day. You know what I mean. Peace. Kick up. This is pretty sweet, you know. In terms of smell, the scent is very, very sweet. I think a female will be able to wear this. That's how sweet it is. All right.